So let's answer question number 1. Is the relation shown a function? Justify your answer. This time, instead of coordinates or a table, they gave us a graph. So we got to do the same thing. Does each input x value have exactly one y output? Let's see. So you might hear the teacher talk about the vertical line test. So let's make a vertical line here. This would be a vertical line, a line that goes straight up and down, right? If I take this line and I bring it across the graph, am I going to hit 2 spots on the graph at any point? Let's see. Not so far, not so far. Right here, right, I started to hit multiple points on the graph. Right? Right here I do, right here I do. I start hitting multiple points on this graph. So this would not be a function, but let's take a closer look at it. So if I put it right here, so the x value of 1 is 4 right here, right? This point right here. Here, the x value of 1 is like 2.5. And right here, the x value of 1 is -2, approximately. So you can see the input of 1 had 3 different y values, right? When I hit the 1 on the vending machine, it gave me 3 different, it gave me a Pepsi one time, it gave me a Coke one time, it gave me a Sprite one time. It's giving me different outputs. This would not be a function. Now I have a couple other types of graphs on here, so let's look at another example. So for this one, let's do our vertical line test again. Oops, that's not what I wanted. So if I make my vertical line and I slide it across this graph, you can see it only hits at 1 spot, right? Each input is going to have exactly 1 output. This one would be a function. So this would be a function. Let's look at one more here. All right, so again, let's use our vertical line here. So let's drag it across. Only hit 1 dot there, that's good. Input of -7 gave me an output of -5 for the y, that's fine. Only 1 spot here. What happened right here? The input of -2, right? The x value of -2 had 2 different y values. It was 4 here, and it was -2 here. So this coordinate would have been -2, 4. And this coordinate would have been a -2, -2, right? So the input of -2 gave me 2 different y values. One time it gave me a 4, and the other time it gave me a -2. This vending machine would not be working, right? This would be not a function. All right, I hope that helps.